Hey, hi everyone. In the previous demo video, we have understood and we have studied to manage a relationship concept. These are topics which we have understood through the demo purpose. Today we're going further. That today is the fifth session of a demo video, which is only dedicated for knowing the child birth-related query and concern, especially for females. With this, you get idea. These are the topic which will be covering in this fifth session. Yes, I made it a separate demo, a separate channel for language basis. So if somebody want to understand this concept in the Hindi version, then they can check out the YouTube channel called Being Sensible. Otherwise, for English channel, they can go for Being Sensible /2. So I made this program in the 3-part. As you can see, Bhav Chalit, and second part Vimshoti Dasa and Pranit chart. In Bhav Chalit, female family member, any concerned person can get idea about whether it's female conceived twins and what is the differences between child and parents, and lifetime answers through the Bhav Chalit. When it comes to Vimshoti Dasa, they get idea of the yearly analysis and monthly analysis of the child and mother case, especially for if she conceived, then which year she would get the baby, and the additional thing that she would get, the parent would also get idea that the health condition both mother and child during the pregnancy. And chronic child, they get idea that pre and post conditions while in pregnancy. So since this is a demo video, I'm going to pick few set of examples to give you a better idea that how this program helps you to figure out and then getting an answer related to birth chart related query. So these are the topic, but in every astrology, there would be some kind of prediction. So in the predictive astrology, use the combination of houses. So we know that 12 houses. So if I pick one, then sixth house, then 8th house, then 12th house. And it's just meaning of the combinations. So this means the combination of houses, and it has the meaning. That means if female find, I'm sorry, in a female charts, if it's being noticed that the 5 and 12 in the concerned house, say that highly chances it will miscarriage or abort. And these are the other combination which give the idea to the parents and to the mother also that while in pregnancy phase, what kind of challenges she would experience. So there are more than 50 combinations which the concept would get idea about the condition of child during pregnancy and after delivery of the baby. So I'm picking this part, the miscarriage, abort, and birth of twin child. With this, you get the idea that what likely challenges that mother would face. So while analyzing the birth chart, the 5th house, very concerned house in astrological term, this also helps to understand the bonding between mother and child. And if the malefic planet is placed in 5th house in a mother chart, like any Rahu, Ketu, Shani, they become the probability or the highly chances that she would get miscarriage or mishap during the pregnancy. Additional thing with this, if female having a Mercury or Jupiter in a 5th house, or even the sign, the chances of having a twin birth. So these are the combinations which is good and which is not good. And to understand this concept, I give a case study. So I take this screenshot for one person lady, and these are the 9 planets. With this, we get a conclude. So in the 5th house, at this year, she has a Rahu, and Rahu having these combinations 5, 12, 4, 10, like these are. So the highly probability that she would get a problem if she conceived and during the pregnancy phase, she would experience the chances of miscarriage. So in more specifically, if I tell that in the session, you will be able to know accurately by placement of planet and the respective condition with this voucher data. So now we're moving to the second part is Vanshoti Risa. So earlier we get idea that with this Vanshotri, get idea of the yearly and monthly changes. But when it come to Bhukti in terms of combination also, if C having a 2, 11, 5, 11 in any year, there are highly chances he would have baby. But if instead of having this, not having this, so you're not getting a child. So Antara, if Antara, which is telling the monthly, if she having a this constant, so highly chances she would conceive in that particular year of the month. And if she get this permission, then during this happen. I mean, could be happen something. So if I take an example, suppose she get this commission on a 2024 this year, and on a July month she get this commission. So on that particular year, on a July month she conceive, but if she get this, so instead of having this commission, which is saying that the child having, but during the pregnancy she would experience a problem. So let us understand with a better idea through the case study. So here I took the Vimshotri pattern and take a screenshot of the one that particular lady. Bhukti, which just tell us the yearly and 2.5 year that basis of planet. So Bhukti is here is Venus. We have to find Venus combination. So it is a mix. So with this, get idea that possibility of birth child. There would be some possibility of birth child, but with complexity, which is it's already started from previous year from 2021 October. It remained there for 15 August 2024. So in this 2.5 years, you would have a probability to conceive or to have the baby, but Antra telling the confirmation when she conceived. So in this case, at the moment, Mercury is going on, which is saying the 5-9. So which is already started. So with this, get idea with Vinshoti, this idea that Bhukti and Antara basis, when she have the baby, which year she have the baby, and which month she get conceived. So in this session, you get idea on a basis of which Bhukti combination, which Antara combination. In that manner, you get idea that when she have the baby or when she is not. So in this particular childbirth topic, you would, female get better idea about her through the child, what the kind of conditions, what would be the challenges during pregnancy, and whether she consider twins or not, and after the birth child, what is the condition would be for the child. So, and the next session would be the sixth session would be the education planning, which is either you can check out with this website, and again you can go for any channel as per your preference of language. You can being sensible of Hindi and being sensible of double 2 for English. Thank you.